So this is the dashboard for the agency. Here you can see the different brands that you're working with. Now I'm going to move to create a style. All of the settings for creating a style are completely customizable to the way that you work. I'm going to generate an image for this jacket. Okay, so I'm going to work with this. Now I've got my new style record, and I'm going to set up some measurements. So you can add the measurements from our preset settings. You can adopt them from existing styles that you've already developed. And you can also add them completely manually. Here I'm choosing to select some from an existing style. And the grading rules can be preset. Now for the bill of materials, again, you can add them from your component library. You can adopt them from an existing style, or you can use our new AI suggestions feature, which will create new suggestions or match from your existing library. Here in the sketches, you can annotate and use AI image generation to create new versions and iterations of the designs that you're working on. So I've just created a technical drawing. I'm going to generate some technical details. And now I'm going to use a couple of the AI annotation tools. So this will help to identify callouts that are needed and apply them directly to the canvas. And now the AI measurements tool will find the points of measure that we used and also apply them to the design. Once I've got all the files, I can choose to include them in my tech pack. I can choose which pages and sections and images I want to include. I can download, save, or email the tech pack directly to the supplier. And this is what a final tech pack looks like. Here's just a quick look at the component library where all of your components are saved. Within the suppliers, you can easily see at a glance which styles and components you've assigned to those suppliers. You can easily create chats on individual styles or group chats. These are accessible to your supplier or any other team members that you choose to include in the chat. This is the file library where all of the styles throughout the system are saved. We also have libraries for things like colors, construction callouts, and diagrams, and tasks which will show up in the calendar if they're assigned a start and end date.